Apple's about to drop the biggest iPhone update in years. And no, it's not just a camera tweak. We are talking thinner bezels, all new materials, and a complete design shift. Leaks are coming fast, and if you're thinking of upgrading, this is the iPhone to wait for. Here's everything we know so far about the iPhone 17 lineup and what Apple isn't telling you. The iPhone 17 is rumored to have Apple's thinnest bezels ever, thanks to a new border reduction technology. The Pro models might feature a redesigned chassis, possibly even a titanium-fused aluminum frame to make it lighter but more durable. And yes, the iPhone 17 Slim is real. It's expected to be thinner than any current iPhone and might even replace the Pro Max in 2025. Apple is also tweaking screen sizes. The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro are expected to keep the same 6.1-inch size, but the new iPhone 17 Pro Max could be bumped to 6.9 inches, a subtle but impactful change. Rumors also suggest that the Slim model will have a slightly larger display than the current Pro, but with an ultra-thin frame. Dynamic Island? Still there. Under-display Face ID? Not yet. Apple is working on a completely revamped front camera for the iPhone 17 lineup. Expect better low-light selfies and improved video for content creators. The rear camera? Still triple lens on Pro models, but we might see next-gen sensor shift stabilization and even periscope zoom becoming standard on both Pro and Slim variants. Under the hood, we're likely getting the A19 chip, built on a more efficient 2nm process. Expect better AI performance, longer battery life, and next-gen computational photography. The battery might get a slight boost, especially with the new materials being lighter, allowing Apple to pack in more juice without adding weight. So, thinner, faster, and smarter, the iPhone 17 might just be Apple's boldest move in years. But with these changes, expect higher prices, especially for the rumored Slim model. Will it be worth it? We'll know soon. Let us know in the comments. Would you upgrade to the iPhone 17? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more tech leaks like this.